Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to compare Beefree and Dorik AI. Want to see which website builder wins. Do you need a stunning website fast? Today we're comparing two no-code builders, Beefree and Dorik AI. Want to see which one best suits your needs. When we look at ease of use, Beefree has drag and drop and is email focused, while Dorik AI has clean UI and it has AI powered templates. When we look at the templates, Beefree has 1,000+ great for emails and landing pages templates, while Dorik AI has 100+ templates, modern and minimalistic. When you look at the AI features, Beefree has basic automation, while Dorik has AI content generator and SEO tools. When we look at the pricing, Beefree has a free plan plus paid upgrades, while Dorik AI has free trial, then subscription. When you look at customization, Beefree is strong for emails and marketing, while Dorik AI is better for full websites and blogs. And lastly, look at the integration. So Dorik AI, Beefree actually works with HubSpot and MailChimp, while Dorik AI works with Zapier, Stripe, and Membersful. So if you need email templates and marketing, Beefree rocks. But for AI-powered websites, Dorik AI takes the crown. Which one would you pick? Comment below, smash like for more showdowns, and subscribe so you never miss a battle. See you in the next one.